Hello everybody! In the previous video, we learned how to use the git add command. In this video, we're going to learn how to do git commits. If we head to our terminal and run the git status command again, we can see that currently we have 4 files that have not been committed yet. To commit something, you need to run the git commit command. What you could do is also specify the -m flag, which stands for message. This is essentially our commit message. It is important to write good commit messages so that people would know what has changed by your commit. As this is our first commit, we can just put here first commit. If we run that, we can see that 4 files were changed. If we do git status now, we can see that there's nothing to be committed. Let's go ahead and modify one of the files. So for example, let's say git is awesome, and let's add this to our readme file. The reason why I'm adding 2 greater than signs is because the string will be appended to the file. If we add just 1, the whole file will be deleted and the new string will be added. So if I run that and then check the status of the readme file, we can see that we have the git is awesome text right under the first line here. Now, if we run git status again, we can see that this file has been modified. What we can do now is run git commit without specifying the flag, and you see that we need to first run git add followed by the name of the file and then run git commit. If you don't run git add, nothing will happen because you need to first stage your changes before committing them. So if you run git commit, now as you can see I didn't specify the -m flag, so a default text editor is being open where we can actually type our commit message. So let's say changed readme.md file. And if we save that and exit, this is going to do the commit. If we run git status again, there's nothing to be committed. This is going to be pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to learn how to check what has actually changed in the files before committing them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button.